So the next question in interview room, it may ask you, can we override a private method? Can we override a private method? No, of course not. Okay, private method we cannot override. Private method we cannot override. Or suppose we write superclass method as a private, and then the sub method, then the same method we write into it's a subclass as a public. That will work. That will work, right? Okay, that will work. Private to public will work. Okay, private method to public method will work. But that concept, okay, is not known as a method overriding, guys. Okay, like let's have a one example. Suppose we have a class A44, and in A44 we write one method here, public void private void show method. Okay, private void show method. Then suppose we write a class B44, and suppose the extends A44. Okay, so now you can see, guys, I can write private to private method. Okay, but this concept will not known as a method overriding. Or even we can write protected. Okay, protected, or even we can write public. Okay, or even we can write default. Okay, we can write default. Okay, public. Okay, not default. Okay, we cannot use default keyword there. Okay, public, private to public, or private to default. Okay, this is known as a default. Okay, so but this concept will not known as a method overriding. Okay, we can write private method. Okay, private method in superclass, and then same private method into subclass, but private method we cannot override. Got it, guys? Okay, hence we will say no, private method we cannot override. Got it, guys? Thank you.